This is an unbelievable buying opportunity for Buy the Dip, Senior Dip, the Dip crypto meme coin on the Chronos blockchain. And today, man, we're going to talk about how now might be one of the best times to really get in dip. We've seen it absolutely take a nosedive off the cliff and head straight to the bottom. But some people might see it as a bad thing. Some people will see it as a good thing. I see it as an opportunity to really get in at the bottom lows right now before the meme coin explosion takes off. Not only just meme coins, but the entire crypto space takes off to the moon. And we are just getting started, in my personal opinion. We are experiencing dips and across the board, not just on the Chronos blockchain, but within many blockchains we have seen crazy dips. But this gives us that 5x 5 to 20x opportunities to really make some money at the bottom of these cryptocurrencies. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about some more news for Buy the Dip. But before we do that, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. Now, Buy the Dip is a meme coin on the Chronos blockchain that has been very heavily promoted, in my personal opinion. We know it was a VVS IMO, so they originally came out on the VVS platform. A lot of people are against the IMOs, but I do believe Buy the Dip is probably one of the legit IMOs because they have camaraderie. It's a community. It's a lot of people, even on YouTube, been talking about it. As far as the community coming to watch the video. Shout out to everybody who watched my Buy the Dip videos. But a lot of people been tuning in asking me, Tro, when you gonna give an update on it? And I think now is one of the perfect times to really update because now we are at the bottom. So let's take a look at the charts and what we're looking at today. So man, currently I'm looking at the Buy the Dip chart, or the Dip chart, whatever you want to call it. Right now, it's ranked 8 on the Chronos blockchain. It is a red day, down 1%. And we can see this chart looks absolutely nuts, man. Let me move it over here so I can just show you guys. Like, look at that chart, man. That chart is crazy. It's pretty much at where it started at when it first came out, where it debuted. We see the first day it was red. In the next couple of days, it absolutely went up. But then we have been trending down since the 4th day it came out. This is the 5th day it came out. So since the 6th day it came out, it has absolutely been trending down. And I told people that I was like, you want to wait until you get a better entry, because we know those IMOs, Crypto.com and the Chronos team can be very slick with these things, man. You don't want to get in unless you pretty much get in on the first day it comes out. I will wait at least a month until everybody takes their profits. Now we can see, like I said, it's just been trending down. The past couple of days have really been red, but if we look with the first day it came out, it was a red day. And right now we are pretty much at the same levels that when it first debuted. So it's $5.7 million in liquidity. I think that's a very big thing because it has a lot of liquidity, but only a $8 million market cap. And I feel like those two don't match up. But the beautiful thing about it, if we do end up making profits on it, you will be able to take those profits because it is a lot of liquidity in this particular pair. Now the holders, there's only 4,000 holders. You know me, I like the 10,000 holder, or at least almost at 10,000. But I do believe Buy the Dip has a good community, and they like to partner with other crypto meme coins on the Chronos blockchain. So when we go down, we see it's more sales than buys currently. It is more buy volume, so people have been buying more than they have been selling, but it's only 25 market makers right now, so not a lot of people really just doing too many transactions on Buy the Dip. But that's okay because you want to buy slowly and stealthily. You don't want to come in and try to move the markets or anything. You want to buy $100 here, $200 here maybe, but nothing too fast where you'll send the market up and people take profits on you. Now we can see the current rocket ship. We currently have all the rockets right now. A lot of people do believe Buy the Dip will take off, and they have a lot of things going on. So first, we know, if you didn't know, Buy the Dip does have a meme coin that they currently have. Before you go Fiesta this Taco Tuesday, amigos, remember to stake your dip and flip collection on Minted, and you can earn some Corgi AI. So that's what I was meaning by doing different partnerships with all of these different crypto projects on the Cronos blockchain. We know Corgi AI is pretty much the top meme coin on the Cronos blockchain. It absolutely exploded during meme coin season, and I believe it's almost like right at $500 million or like 500 million, somewhere around there, maybe 400 million now. But it is in the hundreds of million market cap with Corgi AI, and I love to see them, just do different partnerships with Minted and Corgi, and really just collaborating with the community. Now, in my personal opinion, Corgi AI is just like a meme coin similar to By the Dip. When I say that, the Cronos blockchain pretty much created the meme to really boost up the blockchain, because it was the first official meme coin on the Cronos blockchain, to my knowledge. Especially to go to the heights it went to already, and I do believe Corgi AI will appreciate. So right now, Senior Dip is doing a good job, just putting out NFTs and really collaborating with other projects. And we also know about the meme mania on the VVS platform. Now we see that Dip is one of the cryptos that's considered to be in the LP or liquidity pools for or on VVS Finance. So that's something we also gotta look forward to. They say, look, me amigos, we all for the Dip seed, but how about some nice VVS yields to go along with it? Then you can buy more Dip. Maybe vote for Dip as the meme mania winner for the week. Now this was posted last week, so they've been doing it for trying to see who's going to be on the LP or the earning some VVS yields on the VVS platform for this week. So this is another thing, just giving utility to Dip, putting your money in the LPs, getting VVS, and pretty much selling back into Dip. That's what I would personally do. Now I'm not sure if they won or not. We got to check on VVS Finance. But it's some things going on with Senior Dip. It has a pretty decent community size, and I like to see that, especially with so many people supporting. So people are leaving comments. It's an amazing, beautiful project. That sounds like a bot. Somebody said I'll be voting for Dip. So it's some people who actually support Dip, especially on YouTube. I was surprised that my Dip videos were getting that many views, because me personally, I didn't really see the community at first, but now I'm starting to see what Dip can bring out. Now also, we know Crypto.com is promoting all of the meme coins that they drop. So we know Crypto or Crow and Knife. Now they didn't drop Crow and Knife. That is a community ran project, but we know Crow and we know Dip is a Crypto.com or Cronos type of meme coin. When I say that, I mean they were IMO. So these are the hottest Cronos meme coins right now. That's what Crypto.com is saying. But I love to see Crypto.com actually support the meme coin sector. Now I do want to see them support more actual community meme coins, but this is a start, especially for people who actually hold Dip. Really Crypto.com promoting it, tell people you can get started with $10. So that's really something. Now we do want to see community projects like Mary and like other projects get listed on Crypto.com, but for the Dip holders, this is very beautiful, especially at the price right now. It's already easy to buy Dip. You can buy it on the Crypto.com app. So once we enter into that full-on bull market, this is very major in my personal opinion, because it's going to make it easier for the everyday retail investor who doesn't know about blockchain technology to buy the Dip. Now also, the biggest news of today, total burnt for May and June, 300 million Dip. So still early for July, but how much more Dip will be burned, do you think, Crow fam? So somebody said the bigger the bull, the more Dip will be burned. So a lot of Dip is being burned currently, and we want more Dip to be burned, more Dip taken out of circulation. It just creates a sort of supply shock. Now we know it's a lot of tokens in circulation, so these small burns might not do anything as of right now, but if we continue to see more burns coming down the pipeline, we will see a price increase in Dip. And that's why I'm saying right now might be one of the best times to buy the Dip crypto, just because we almost already at back to entry levels. So we really don't have anything to lose right now, and it gives us a better buying opportunity as we start to go into this upcoming bull market and this super cycle that I believe will be very, very big, and something that the crypto space has yet to sing. So Crypto Tro, just giving you an update on what's going on with Buy the Dip. A lot of people have been requesting this video, and it's only right I get a community what they ask for. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and guys, don't forget, if you support the channel, leave a super thanks. I really appreciate everybody for tuning in. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.